Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is Arman Rahman from helloarman. In this video, I will explain you how actually PHP artisan table dump command works. So mainly, here I've just created the key difference between our default commands and the DumpTable commands. So in this situation, I'm just visiting a migration file. So you can see that here's a migration file, and suppose I want to create another column, column on our table by updating migration file. So for example, this will be XYZ. So you can see that I've just updated XYZ on my existing Laravel migration. But the main thing is, if I run this command, PHP artisan migrate fresh, it will clear all the informations, all the datas from my whole database. So for solving this issue, I've just created this command php artisan table dump and the table name. So it will run a single migration and update your migration file on your single table, just like here's the explanation. So in our regular expression, if I run php artisan migrate fresh, it will clear all the table data from the database. But if I run this specific command php artisan table dump and the specific table name, and it will update the migration file on a single table only. So it will help you while developing, but in production it won't be a good decision for you. But while developing, it is very helpful for our daily life. So I think this will help you. So let's run this command. So php artisan table dump services. So you can see that on my service table there are some fields. Okay, so there are many of data on other tables. Okay, so let's run this. So service has been updated successfully. So I've just updated XYZ on the service table. So you can see that a new column is updated, but it didn't affect any other tables. So I think that this will be very helpful command for you. So I have added some extra flags for this command. So php artisan table dump table name dash dash restore or r. So why we will use this flag? So at first I need to restore my data of my service table. So okay, I've just restored my data for showing you the example. Okay, I've just updated all data. Okay, so as I updated my migration file, so this showing over there. Okay, so now I will show you. So now I want to remove this column from this migration. So you can see that here's some existing data on my table. So I just removed this php artisan table. So your table name and -r. So I just run this command. So here is the column that I have removed from my migration. So yeah, this is how it won't affect on any other columns from your existing table, and it will update the column. So you can see that I just created a short explainer. So you can see that if I run PHP artisan migrate fresh, it will clear all the data from all the tables. On our last command, PHP artisan table dump service, it will update only the table, single table, and by adding the -r flag, you will get extra benefit that you can update a single column for your table. So it won't affect on other tables, but I want to mention you something that I've just updated a error handling. So as this is a beta version, this R flag is on beta version. For there are some errors, but I'm trying to update this I will command, but most of the cases it works, but sometimes it fails. So I've just updated a backup file for you. So there are a backup file for this package. So if you feel that you just did something wrong, then you can easily import that SQL from your folder, and it will be as like before. Okay, okay. After that, I will explain you the next flag, which is is. So by adding is or dash dash seed, it will seed the data from your migration file, from your table. So okay, so you can see that. So you can see that I have a seeder file named service seeder. So you can see that I have some dummy data on that seeder file. So if I want to update this package, so for example, I'm just adding XYZ again on this migration, and after running this, so this time this condition will be that I will update the column, and I will seed it again. Okay, I will seed it again, mention that. Okay, so PHP artisan table dump table name is. So I'm just mentioning this again, that I have added this column right now, and I'm just updated seed. So I just added seed with this, and you can see that it's adding a new column on your existing table, and it is seeding it again on your table. So I think those commands will help you a lot while developing. And there are some warnings, and there are some notes with this, that you have to there's some naming convention with this seeder file. You have to you have to maintain this name convention for automatically seeding. So yeah, this is the explanation of this command. So thank you for staying here and watching this video. Assalamu alaikum, and see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.